Welcome to this tutorial on saving and opening Figma files and exporting your design work using Figma's local save option. In this guide, you will learn how to navigate the Figma website, sign in using your Google account, open your project, select the component you wish to work with, and finally export it in the format of your choice. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Figma website. Once you have reached the home page, take a moment to become familiar with the layout and locate the options available. At the top right corner of the page, you will find a button labeled Log In. Simply click on this button to proceed to the next step. After clicking Login, you will be presented with several sign-in options. Among these options, look for and click on Continue with Google. This option is designed to simplify the login process by using your existing Google credentials. After selecting Continue with Google, the next step involves choosing your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, be sure to select the one associated with your Figma account or the project you intend to work on. Completing this step will successfully log you into your Figma account and allow you to access your projects. With your account now active, it is time to navigate to your project. Access your project by following the appropriate link provided or by using the project navigation interface within Figma. Once your project opens, you will see a list of design files and components. Identify the project you wish to work on, and once it is displayed on your screen, proceed to click on the specific component you are interested in. This component may be a part of your design system or a standalone design element that requires further action. After you have clicked on your chosen component, locate the section labeled Export within the Properties panel. This section is typically found on the right-hand side of the Figma interface. In the export section, you will see several options that allow you to define how you want to save your file. This is an important step. Carefully study the available file type options and decide which extension suits your needs best. The extension you choose, such as a PNG, JPEG or SVG, will determine the format in which your design element is saved, so take your time to select the one that fits your final usage. With your extension chosen, finalize the process by clicking on the Export button. By clicking Export, Figma will save your file in the chosen format, making it ready for further use or sharing. This completes the step-by-step process of logging in, accessing your project, selecting a component, and exporting your design. Following these detailed instructions will enable you to efficiently manage and export your Figma files. Enjoy the process and continue creating impressive designs using Figma.